Did you know you can build a professional website in less time than it takes to finish your coffee? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to grab your domain, secure blazing fast hosting, and launch a live WordPress website with Hostinger, all in minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. Stay with me, and by the end, your website will be online, ready to grow your brand or business. Let's get started. Step 1. Getting domain and hosting. In the video description, you'll find a link that takes you directly to section 1, where you can purchase your domain and hosting through hostinger.com. Hostinger is known as one of the fastest and most affordable hosting providers in the industry. Before choosing a plan, take a look at the language option at the top of the page. If English isn't your first language, you can switch easily to your preferred one, whether it's Thai, Portuguese, Italian, or Japanese. The entire website will be translated instantly. Once that's set, click Claim Deal to view the available plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. I strongly recommend the Business plan because it supports more visitors and includes a free CDN, which boosts your website speed by up to 40% compared to the Premium plan. Later, if your traffic grows, you can always upgrade to Cloud Startup or Cloud Professional for even more capacity. To begin, select the Business plan by clicking Choose Plan under Business. On the cart page, choose your hosting duration by clicking the drop-down arrow. I suggest going with the 12-month plan. It gives you a free domain, a major hosting discount, and a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason. Now here's the bonus. By using the referral link I've provided, you'll unlock an exclusive discount. Hostinger is currently offering a Black Friday sale, but this referral link gives you an even better deal. And don't worry, if you're watching this 3 or 4 months later, the discount from my link will still be available. Click Continue, and on the next page, you'll create your account by entering your email address and setting a password for your hosting. Once done, click Register. Next, fill in your billing details, including your first and last name, country, and all required information. Then click Continue. Now it's time to select a payment method. Hostinger supports options like credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, and even CoinGate for crypto payments. In this example, I'll choose credit card and enter the details. Use the sample shown as a guide to fill in the blanks. Once your information is entered, you'll notice the referral discount applied automatically. Finally, click Submit Payment to proceed. You'll now be redirected to the Hostinger Setup Wizard. The first question asks who the website is for. Select Me or My Business, then hit Next. The following step asks if you want to create a new website or migrate an existing one. Choose Create a Website and click Next. Now you'll set up your WordPress login credentials. Use your email and create a secure password. Make sure to save these because you'll need them later to log into WordPress. Once done, click Next. When asked what type of website you want to build, you can skip choosing a template and select Create a Blank Site. On the next page, enter your domain name. Thanks to the referral link, you'll get a free domain. For example, you might register something like mycashprocess.unfi.uk. Once you type in your preferred domain, you'll see if it's available for free. If it is, go ahead and select it, then click Next. Now it's time to register your domain officially. Choose whether the domain is for personal or company use. I'll pick personal here. Then select the country of registration. For example, I'll choose the United States and click Next Step. Enter your contact information carefully. This is important because it shows who owns the domain. If you ever sell the domain in the future, this is the information that will be referenced. Fill in your first name, last name, and contact details, then click Finish Registration. Next, select the server location closest to your target audience. For instance, choose the United States if you're targeting visitors in the Americas, Germany if your audience is in Europe, or Brazil for South America. Don't worry too much, since Hostinger provides free CDN services that automatically cache your site worldwide for faster loading. In this example, I'll choose Arizona and click Next. At this point, Hostinger will begin installing WordPress on your new domain. This usually takes just a minute or two. But before moving on, there's an important step. Check your email. Open your inbox, you'll find a verification email from Hostinger. The first thing you must do is confirm your email address. This proves you're a real user and links your account properly. Go ahead and click Verify Email. After that, you'll land in the Hostinger dashboard. This is where you'll manage your websites, set up free business emails, and access many other features. We'll explore this in more detail soon. Finally, return to your inbox again. There's another important message from Hostinger. This one is about verifying your domain. Open the email and follow the instructions to complete the domain verification process. To activate your domain, click the Verify Email button once more. After that, Hostinger will confirm that your domain information has been successfully verified. Now let's return to the WordPress dashboard. At the top, you'll see the preview domain. To exit preview mode and visit your live website, simply type your domain name, such as mycashprocess.infi.uk, into the browser, and just like that, your new domain is live on the internet. Step 2. Log in to WordPress dashboard. There are two ways to log into your WordPress site later. Through the Hostinger dashboard, go to the Websites tab, find your domain, and click WordPress Admin. This method logs you in directly and is especially useful if you forget your password. Now I will show you the second method. Through your browser, type your domain name followed by /wp-admin. Then click Enter. This will take you to the WordPress login page. Enter your email and password, the credentials you set up earlier. Check the Remember Me option, then click Login. Once logged in, you can easily manage your WordPress site from anywhere. Inside the WordPress dashboard, you'll find a list of your pages by clicking All Pages. These are just demo pages, so feel free to delete the ones you don't need. The same applies to posts. You'll see a sample post called Hello World. You can delete it by moving it to the trash. Next, let's go through some key WordPress settings. Profile settings. Head over to Users Automation. Then click Profile. Here you can change the admin color scheme: light, modern, ocean, coffee, midnight, sunrise, etc. I prefer modern because it's easier on the eyes. You can also update your email address. This is where password reset links will be sent. If needed, click Set New Password to create a new one. Then hit Update Profile. General Settings. Under Settings. Greater than General, you can name your website, My Cache Process Infi, and add a tagline. A tagline is like a slogan, similar to Nike's Just Do It. You can also upload a site icon, favicon, which appears on browser tabs when visitors open your site. Further down, you'll find an option to change the admin email address at any time. If you prefer, you can also switch the WordPress backend to another language, such as Chinese, Russian, Dutch, or Spanish. Once finished, click Save Changes. Discussion settings. Since WordPress began as a blogging platform, comments are enabled by default. To avoid spam, like unwanted ads and junk messages, uncheck the box for Allow people to submit comments. Scroll down and save your changes. Permalink settings. Finally, go to Settings greater than Permalinks. Select Post Name as your permalink structure. This is the best option for SEO and gives you clean, professional URLs. The other formats include unnecessary dates and extra text. After selecting Post Name, scroll down and save. That's it. You've successfully configured the essential WordPress settings. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your new domain and hosting. Hostinger makes the process simple and beginner-friendly. From creating your account to configuring essential settings, you now have the foundation of a fast, secure, and professional website. In the next tutorials, we'll explore themes, templates, and customization options to take your site to the next level. Don't stop here. Hit subscribe and tap the bell for more powerful tutorials. And remember, the exclusive Hostinger discount link is waiting for you in the description. Start your website journey today, and I'll see you in the next video.